Hello, this video and report provides the 2022 year in review housing market stats for Guelph and the surrounding areas. We've completed an in-depth review of the market looking at many different metrics in our full report. If you're interested in taking a deep dive, please click on the link below to view the full report. With that said, I'm going to cover a few of the key takeaways in this blog. The following is a summary of some of the key metrics comparing 2022 to the market in 2021. So for Guelph, the median sales price was $820,000 throughout the year, which is up by 12.8% relative to 2021. The average sale price per square foot was $544, which is up by 10.8%. The total number of listings was 3,267, which is up by 6.1%. And the total number of sales was 1,940, which is down by 26.6%. For the local areas in Cambridge, the median sale price was $775,000, which is up by 6.2%. In Puslinch, it was $1.74 million, up by 39.2%. In Guelph Eramosa, it was $1.1 million, which is up by 5.5%. And in Centre Wellington, it was just under $900,000, which is up by 16.2%. While these figures look impressive and perhaps shocking given the recent headlines about the housing market, there's a lot more to the story. Sales were down substantially from 2021, and gains made during late 2021 through Q2 of 2022 have been absolutely erased. Sales were down throughout the region, with Guelph sales down to approximately 26%. It's a big decrease compared to the spike in sales that was happening in early 2022. The reality is that the number of sales are now back in line with levels from back in 2016. The supply of homes remained tight and was still nowhere near historical averages. Given consistently low inventory and months supply of inventory being less than 3 months, the market's still considered to be a seller's market. This is technically speaking based on industry metrics, which you could read more about in the market report. The Guelph market in particular has not gone over 3 months of supply in well over a decade. It appears that the market has approached a more balanced state and that it will likely become more constant throughout the year. There are opportunities for both buyers and sellers if you're willing to be prepared and patient and jump when the right opportunity presents itself to you. If you're considering a move or investing in real estate this year, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you with your journey. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day and a great year.